This videotape will demonstrate Ashtown, an interactive multimedia program produced by the Institute for the Study of Family, Work, and Community. Ashtown is designed to teach 5th and 6th grade children in the state of California about smoking prevention. The project was funded by the California Department of Health Services with funds made available by Proposition 99, the 1988 Tobacco Tax Initiative. Ashtown is a 2-screen application which will run on any Macintosh from Classic on up. Users interact with the computer, which cues the video disc on the second monitor. The main interface for the program is that of a map of Ashtown. Users click on a variety of locations which each represent a different activity related to smoking prevention. For example, users can go to the park where they join a camera crew for a children's news program out to see what other kids think about smoking. Once in the activity, users can choose who they want to interview by clicking. Let's ask them a question.
Should we ask them a question or move on?
And let's ask the first question. Would you date anyone who smokes?
Would you date anyone who smokes?
Yes, I could. No, I couldn't. Man, just imagine. Would you lick an ashtray like that? That's kissing a girl is just like licking an ashtray, man. All that ash and cigarette smoke, man. Would you do that? Would you lick an ashtray? No, I wouldn't lick an ashtray. You wouldn't date or kiss a girl like that smokes.
We'll save this interview to use on the news. An icon of it appears in the lower right-hand corner. We'll move on, and once we've saved 5 interviews, we can go to the Edit Studio to put our news program together. Users drag an icon representing an interview into the TV or directly to the numbers on the left. Interviews can be arranged. When it's all in order, we click play and the interviews show in the new order, preceded by a brief newsroom introduction.
Kids News Today's roving Kids Beat poll visited a theme park to find out what kids think about smoking. Reporter Katie Lansdale was there. Thanks, Michelle.
When we're done, we go back to the map where we can go on to the Trans-Oregon Express, a wild subway ride through the body, stopping at different organs that may be affected by tobacco use.
All aboard! The Trans-Oregon Express is leaving. Take your destination on the route map to move on.
Once the train starts rolling, users click on stations from this route map. We'll start off by going to Mouth Manor.
Next stop, Mouth Manor. There's plenty of seats, so step lively, but be careful of sores. They can really get you down in the mouth. And be sure not to miss the special stained teeth exhibit. Oh, and don't be afraid of the gums. They're not shy. They're just receding a little. Oh, and that smell? Well, smoking can really give you rankin' breath. So please, when you're on the train, keep the windows up. Now go out and explore. When you're ready to move on, just click another station.
From the train, we can go inside the mouth, where users click around to explore. Click on a tooth to see what smoking can do, or click the Facts button to learn more details about tobacco use. There are 7 stations. For now, we'll go back to the main map. There is a radio station in Ashtown where users can make their own non-smoking rap, and a TV station where users become contestants in a game show designed to teach the financial consequences of smoking. It's called The Price is High.
Welcome, concerned friends of smokers, to the game show that really knows how to light up your life. The Price is High. Today, Tonight on The Price is High, you'll have a chance to win valuable prizes. You get to choose the amount, and we'll send you on a 90-second shopping spree of your dreams. Today's category is cigarette spending. Let's get started.
Users choose someone they know who smokes and try to add up the dollars and cents of smoking.
Let's find out how much the two-pack-a-day smoker spends on cigarettes. If a pack of cigarettes costs $2.25, how much does the two-pack-a-day smoker spend on cigarettes in 1 week?
Users can use a calculator to add up the cost. Then they make their choice.
$31.50 is correct!
Eventually, users will add up the cost to smoke for a week, a month, and finally a year. Then they get to spend the same amount of money that would have been spent on smoking on a 90-second shopping spree of their dreams. Categories include clothing, shoes, sports, entertainment, and more. When your money's all spent, the program shows you what you could have bought instead of cigarettes.
This is what you chose to purchase for the same amount of money someone else is spending on cigarettes. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you next time on The Price is High.
Back at the map, let's go now to City Hall, where users become the mayor of Ashtown, faced with a vote on banning smoking in all restaurants in town.
Good morning, Mayor. The council meeting starts in 5 minutes. Today's agenda item is an ordinance to ban smoking in all restaurants. You're going to want to review some materials before we go into the chambers. There's information on your fax, in your inbox, and on your answering machine. Choose any one. Oh, and if you'd like me to read any of the written materials to you, just click my image on the computer screen.
You can read what's come over the fax. You can look at what's in the inbox, or you can listen to a message.
Hello, Mayor. This is Councilperson Adams. About today's vote. There is plenty of evidence about the harmful effects of smoking on both smokers and non-smokers' health.
When you're ready, you click the door to go to the council chambers.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
The council meeting is now called to order. Today's business is an ordinance put forward by Councilperson Adams restricting smoking in all restaurants in our town. Mayor, you can call on guests or audience members for comment.
Users can choose any of the audience members shown.
Thank you, Mayor. The Big Sig Company is happy to have a chance to speak here today.
And when you have enough information, you can ask the council members to vote.
I believe the people of this town need this ordinance.
As it will turn out, the council members' vote will be deadlocked. You will have to break the tie.
On the ordinance to ban smoking in all restaurants, do you vote yes or no?
Let's vote yes.
The mayor votes yes. The ordinance passes. We are adjourned.
Way to go, Mayor. Right.
No!
Users can also visit the town newspaper, where they'll substitute for the local advice columnist who's out on vacation and has received a pile of letters from kids concerned about smoking. In this activity, the user first chooses a letter, reads it, then clicks the response drawer to see how Blake might have responded. We can then change Blake's answer, and when we're done, we can see how the letter might appear in the newspaper itself. If we were done exploring Ashtown, we would just click Quit, and the program would return to the Macintosh Finder. If you'd like more details on Ashtown, call us at 510-549-6520.